Plain cap? Not anymore. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're showing you how to use a cap press attachment on the 16-in-1 heat press machine to create customized caps professionally. Let's go. The 16-in-1 comes with multiple attachments for t-shirts, mugs, plates and yes, caps. The bottom attachment comes in different curved sizes. Then you have your curved heating element at the top. Make sure you have your non-stick Teflon sheet. Everything is aligned and you've attached your power cable before you turn on your machine. The machine comes with default settings of time and temperature. For most cap materials and heat transfer paper, I recommend testing between 160 to 190 degrees with medium pressure for around 60 to 110 seconds. Make sure you test your specific cap before you begin the production stream. Here's our cap that we're going to use. This is our printed design on the heat transfer paper. I'm placing it firmly on the front of the panel and taping it down with heat-resistant tape to hold it in place. Position the cap so the print area is wrapped smoothly across the curved base. Apply your non-stick Teflon sheet. Pull down the handle to start your press. The default settings is 110 seconds on the clock. Once the timer is done, the magnetic lock will release and the machine will automatically lift. Take off the heat-resistant tape and the transfer paper. And there it is. A full color, professional finish with great detail. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and ring that bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.